We got started on the house build. They broke ground and did all the excavation for the house hole. So we're really excited about getting started on all this. And now we have the concrete crew out here. They're going to be doing the foundations. We have a raised foundation. It's a 3-foot stem wall with a 12-inch footing. So they're putting the footings in right now with the rebar. And once we get that inspected, we'll be able to pour the concrete. So right now, we're going to go over and see how they're doing with the footings. The concrete crew has finished all the formwork, and we're pretty excited because today, in only a couple hours, they're going to start pouring the concrete. That's
me.
There is all the formwork. So we have 3-foot stem walls. It's called a monopore, which means it's poured all at the same time. And lots of rebar, lots of work. The guys did a great job. So what's up, Lise? You excited?
I am excited. I think it's funny that you're geeking out on different things. I, however, geek out on yesterday we had our first inspection.
Yes.
And it was approved to go ahead and pour today.
Right. And we also had a site drainage guy from the county come out and kind of coach us through. We have a designed plan that is very over the top.
Yeah.
So we are going to scale that back a bit. But yeah, yesterday was a big day. We got approved, which means today we're pouring concrete.
Which is very exciting. And Bob's talking really, really fast.
Yes. So that's going to happen. We've got all the piers or pads in the middle that carry the beam through the house. Also on the side of the house, which is kind of interesting, we're going to have columns going all the way down here, which is for the porch. Apparently that gets poured separately on those little white plastic forms, and then we move it in later, right?
Yes.
Cool. All right, so now I've got to figure out where to put all this materials for the drain pipe.
For the foundation drains.
Yes, foundation drains. Tell them how that works.
The foundation drains run next to the base of the footing. It is wrapped in fabric and gravel, and it prevents water from upwelling and floating your foundation and eventually your building. And actually flooding the crawl space too. And then you've got water/mold issues. Yes.
So
it is a separate system from your downspouts and gutters and site drainage.
Gutter drains, yeah.
Got a couple different systems that work together, but that is one system, is the
first thing
foundation drain.
Foundation drain first, then the downspout or gutter drains second, and then you can backfill. They finished the pouring of the footings, and now they're going to be pouring the stem walls. They add a little bit more water, and the footings are nice and dry and solid, and then the stem walls are a little soupier. It kind of moves up the the formwork and ties together with all the rebar. But it's been a lot of fun watching them put all this together. And Eduardo is doing a great job with his crew. It's been Lisa and I, and actually the kids have been having a blast watching them do it. The concrete crew has finished. They pulled all the boards off, all the panels, and last night, I went around and cleaned up around the footings, because today I'm going to be putting the footing drains in. I had to clean up around here because there were some spots that were tight. That was not the foundation guy's fault. It was nobody's fault. Actually, it was my fault, because I took the whole house and pushed it that way about a foot, and we got a little tight over there. The first thing I need to do is what's called daylight these drains, and I'm going to take the excavator and make sure it slopes 1 inch per 10 feet, I believe. Well, I started digging for about, I don't know, 5 minutes, and I hit the septic pipe. So I was just carelessly trenching away, and there it is. I nicked it real good. I did check to see, and we'll be able to go over that pipe with the drain pipes. My eyeball's just not level apparently, so I'll be okay, and I just need to repair that first. You know, 1 step forward, 2 steps back kind of thing. So now I get to repair that and do the drains today. I decided to go ahead and just keep moving forward. I've got to fix that pipe, but I need to wrap I have the materials to do the foundation drain, so I need to focus on that. I will fix that pipe today, but first, since I'm here, since I'm working, I'm just going to work on the fabric and the pipe, and then I'll work on, I'm going to put the fabric down, and then I'm going to put the foundation drains down, and then I'll fix that later. First connection. Oh, the blue goo. Make sure I put this in the right spot here. Okay, pulls down. Okay, push. Awesome. We have the girls working on the house today. They're doing a great job. And Danielle, tell us what you're working on.
Right now, I am working on digging with the excavator, putting it in a wheelbarrow, and then putting it over the pipe.
That's right. And what are you doing, Ashley? You've done a couple things today.
I'm switching in between helping Dad with the drain, the foundation drains, and helping Danielle spread the rock out around the pipe.
Awesome. And we're doing that so that we can finish the foundation drains.
Yep.
And they're doing great. And I've been doing all the PVC pipe hookups and all that stuff.
One.
Thank you.
Well, actually, you should.
So Danielle is doing a great job on the excavator.
Ashley, what? It's fine.
And Ashley is helping both of us out. So we're going to get back to it, and we'll get this done. We should be done today. Awesome.
Cool.
Give me a thumbs up for that.
Nice.
Cool. Nice. Good job. So we finished all the drain pipe, or not drain pipe, the foundation pipe. And Danielle and Ashley, Danielle worked the excavator, Ashley helped with the rocks. Danielle did almost all, if not all, of the, and you put the wheelbarrow together.
Yeah.
She put it together. How cool is that? Get out of there, Nicole. And then I repaired that I broke. So I broke it and then I repaired it. So yeah, now we just get to do the rest of the house. So we took about a month off from the house build. We went to gorgeous, beautiful, sunny Hawaii, Kona, Hawaii. It was amazing. And now we're back. So it's cloudy, it's rainy, and it's cold. When we left off, we were working on the foundation drains. And you can see we have wrapped them in fabric. We've got the stone, not all the way. We have the fabric all the way. We have all the PVC glued together. The next step is to do the actual burrito where we wrap the fabric. So since we left this for a month, there's been quite a bit of rain and some of the fabric has been kind of covered by mud. So as I move along and work on this, I'm going to have to kind of uncover that fabric. So that's my project. Hopefully I'll be done in a day or two. We have the framers coming tomorrow, which is really exciting. We're gonna get the floor package put on. So that's the whole floor, which will be really cool. Inspection on Monday, and then hopefully go right into walls and trusses on Wednesday. So super excited. This thing's gonna go up really quick. But before all that, I'm gonna try to get some of the drainage issue worked out so that we can backfill and start to look like a real house. Yesterday was a productive day. We got a lot done with the drains, the footing drains. Ashley was helping out. It was pretty cool. We had to dig out a lot of mud because we let them sit for a month, and we had to get the mud off the fabric. So we dug the mud out and then wrapped the gravel. This is the gravel that we're putting in there, and wrap it like a burrito. And we started in the far corner and we worked our way around, and we were at this corner now. So yeah, we're going to start here, we're going to work our way around. But today's exciting because the lumber gets delivered, and that will be the whole floor. So the floor is going to get completed this weekend, and on Monday they'll start framing the walls. So pretty excited about that. So you can see here we've created these burritos with the fabric, the rock, and then the drains. So that needs to, actually the next step after we finish the foundation drains is the roof drains, which will sit right on top of the footings. And that'll tie into the gutters and the downspouts. I created right here is a clean out for the foundation drains. And yeah, so that's about it. Hopefully I can finish this up today for the foundation drains and go purchase all the drains for the roof drains, and then we can backfill, which will be exciting. Oh, in the meantime, the electricity fell over, so I need to prop that back up.